Magandang hapon po ng September 11, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon na September 11, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 11, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos, and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 14.5 million pesos for September 11, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 11, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.